everybody. It's Monty, it's Shadle, it's geometry, and here we are wrapping up week 11, part 1 of SBAC week, where 10th and 11th graders had to take the ELA test, the English portion. Next week, we're going to continue with this SBAC, with this block schedule on week 12, April 22 to 25th. Part 2 next week is the math and science portion of the SBAC testing. So we have the special schedule. Boy, those first lunches at 10:20, kind of tough to handle, huh? All right. Well, as we wrap up this first SBAC testing week, let's do our shout outs. Okay? And this week, I personally want to thank everybody that participated in SBAC. Okay? SBAC. We actually practiced what it means to take an SBAC test, both the English portion, where to find a practice test online, what it looks like, how it feels, and then we started the math portion and we did that practice test. Next week, we'll do a little bit more. But for now, let's have our shout out for SBAC participants. In period 3, Logan Anderson, Genesis Camaro, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, David Hirsch, Zylo Holman, Joseph Holman, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Munger, Catherine Nazarchuk, Tatum Piper, J.E. Stahl, Isaac Treat, Evan Upton, Christian Walters, and Damian Wickman. In period 4, the people that participated with the SBAC practice, Rosalina Bonni, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Rashad Hart, Tommy Krotzer, Kaylee Lewis, Janine Garcia, Lee Martinet, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Kiera Perkins, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Caden Saylor, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, the SBAC participants, Desiree Ballou, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Elijah Glancer, Araya Howard, Devin Metza, Lyndon Nopry Jennings, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Gabby Warnock, and Tyler Wyant. And then we do these puzzles. And I never do the shout out to thank all of those of you that tried those Friday weekly puzzles. And this week we want to hand out in period 3, Logan Anderson, Michaela Bays, Genesis Camaro, Anthony Gomez, Cranita Granados, Jocelyn Ives, Tristan Larson, and J.E. Stahl. In period 4, Rosalina Bonni, Evan Cavell, Josie Horry, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Elijah Regalado, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, the folks that turned in the puzzles the last week, Desiree Ballou, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Hunter Greenstone, Lily Hendrickson, London Opry Jennings, Matthew Shuck, Gabby Warnock, Tyler Wyant, and Ali Zenishek. Okay, now, next week, we do SBAC practice number 2, okay? So, in SBAC practice 2, the first thing we're going to do is half the class will be for SBAC. The other half of the class will be for math. We're wrapping up arc length. We're wrapping up sector area. And then we're going to get into volume, okay? 3-dimensional shapes, okay? So, get ready for taking from circles to 3-dimensional figures where we calculate actual volumes of containers, okay? And then for SBAC, remember we're going to do more practice. Part of SBAC is what's called a performance task. In your English class and your social studies classes, they're called essays. Well, similarly, in math, they're called a performance task, but they're like essays. Imagine writing a 1-page paper with formulas and math and thought on why you calculated what you calculated, okay? And this year's practice performance task is what's called the roof truss problem. What pitch do you think a roof should have? And when you pick the slope of the roof, trigonometry, does that change the amount of surface area of the roof? We'll talk about that on Monday and Tuesday in class. But until then, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week for week 2 of SBAC practice. See you on Monday.